Look what we just got in the mail today. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. We got the Rabbit R1 in the mail today. Let's check it out. So we see here it comes in a very simplistic case. Nothing too major. As you've probably seen, excuse me, as you've probably seen, has the one piece of foam on top. And here we go. The bright orange Rabbit R1. Amazing. Let me take some time to set it up and I'll be right back. I just had to come back and say this thing is bright orange.
Damn!
And I don't know, I'm just excited to get it started, man. It look amazing. So right now we got this little thing updating. We just went through the process, scanning the QR code, getting everything set up, logging into the rabbit hole. It's pretty simple. I'm not seeing many complaints or the reasons for so many complaints thus far. So we'll just wait for the update and see what's next. So after the long setup, it wasn't very long. It only took about 15 minutes to download. I'm running about gigabit plus internet Wi-Fi. Um, my daughter ended up naming the rabbit Cinnamon, so my R1 is named Cinnamon. She had a little conversation back and forth. My video data was lost and the audio was corrupted, so I'm just giving like a overview of what happened. And very interesting. Not too long on the responses. I don't use Apple Music. I don't use DoorDash. Um, I don't use Spotify, and I don't use Midjourney. So as far as like AI companion interaction, it's very interesting to like not be stuck to just those things. Like I'm actually genuinely asking the questions that come to my mind. So if you have any questions that you think I should ask the R1, leave it down in the comments. And please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.